how to change trackpad settings on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the trackpad settings on your MacBook. Let's get started. Open up your settings and then you need to scroll down, go to trackpad, and then there you can see various settings for your trackpad, such as tracking speed. You can drag the slider to slow or fast. You can see click option. You can choose light, medium, or firm. So you can just move around the slider. You can see force click and haptic feedback. So you can toggle this on. You'll need to click then press firmly for quick lookup and variable speed media controls. You can see other settings as well, such as lookup and data detector, secondary click. So you can tap on the drop down and change the settings if you want to. Similarly, you can toggle on tap to click, and next there you can see at the top scroll and zoom options. You can change this as well according to your choice, toggle it on or off. Similarly, you can go to more gestures and you can find more settings for your trackpad that you can change according to your preference. So it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.